Welcome back. Today we are going to make a sofa. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright. First thing we need to do is make that a little bit shorter. And then bring it out this way. And then we're going to duplicate, rotate 90. And then bring it back. Bring it up. Rotate it just a little bit. Alright. Now we can duplicate this one. 90. Size it way down. Bring it up. A little bit more. There we go. There we go. Much better. And now we need the pillows. So let's go ahead and duplicate this one. Bring it over here. Rotate it. No. There we go. Size a little bit more. Oh, right there. Definitely need to size that a little bit more. But first, no, it's gonna be good. Let's see. Backside doesn't matter as much. There we go. That's fine. All right, now we need to make it even. This one is 622, and then minus 1.1. So 622 minus 1.1. Okay. It's about 2, so we need them about maybe 2. No, just 2 or 1.9. All right, let's see if that works. duplicate that. No, 1.8. 1.8. But there's going to be a crease, so probably 1.7. 1.78. 1.78. Duplicate that, bring it that way. One 1.79. There we go. Yep, that's good. Okay. Bring that up a little bit so there's a little bit of space. Good to go. And then we can duplicate, grab Z, rotate on the y-axis 90, and then grab X, rotate Y, so now we need to bring them up a little bit. Up a little bit more. And then back a little bit. Really need to see the back. No. That's fine. A little bit more. And good to go. All right, awesome. Okay. Now we need to bring everything up a little bit. There we go. That should do it. Probably help if there was a plane. Yep, that works. Okay. Take that off. All right. Now we need to add some little feet. So we're gonna size that. There we go. Now bring that into. Did I? Okay. All right. Right there. There we go. Duplicate, grab X. Duplicate, grab Y. Let's delete that one because I want the exact measurement of this. All right. And we don't need that one because, well, we just don't need it. Only need these up to about right there. All right. There we go. Now to color it. Well, let's join these. That way it's a smooth edge all the way around. And then we'll put a small bevel on each of these. No. All right, so there's our pillows. Those are still not. Jeez. There we go. And now they're a little bit raised, which is good. Awesome. And those are fine. All right. Now we can go into here and we'll make it a red couch. Actually, let's tab into these. Do a bevel right there. Crap, I don't know how big that bevel was. 0.05. Okay. There we go. Much better. Okay. Now we just need to color it. All right. And I'll just do an orange couch. Orange couch with gray pillows. Why not? I'm not very good with color coordination, so eh, awesome. Then we'll make these black. Or we can do the opposite. We'll do this with gray, this with orange. That way it kind of shows up better. I don't know. Actually, we could do this. All right, let's tab into this. Oh, yeah, that doesn't work so well. Uh, how's that look? Meh. Yeah, why not? What? Okay, no, that's don't like. Okay, we'll leave it like that. I should have done the beveling myself, but it is what it is. It looks just fine with that. So, all good. No worries. All right, so there's the couch. Good stuff. So that's how you make the couch in Blender. All right, I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.